Hi guys, good morning. Today is 3rd of July 2017, first trading day of July month and first day of trading when GST is applicable. And we will just see, what's happening, how is it going on, right? Let's see so before we see the reaction of stocks, let's see how Nifty is behaving, right? So Nifty opened gap up today, right? With a positive stance, Nifty opened up. And then from there, it made this long candle. And then again, it took a support at this point, which is 9539. And from there, it's going up. So a few ways we can analyze Nifty and how it's going to move and what will be its behavior is one is that we mark its morning range. फर्स्ट कैंडल जो बनती है 15 मिनट की, उसकी रेंज आप मार्क करो, ठीक है। अब जब भी बहुत क्लियरली इस रेंज को ये ब्रेकआउट देगी, जिस भी डायरेक्शन में ब्रेकआउट देगी, उस डायरेक्शन में निफ्टी में हैव अ पॉसिबल रन अप इन दैट पर्टिकुलर डायरेक्शन। सो यहाँ पे इसने ब्रेकआउट दिया 9576 पे। अच्छा, उससे पहले ही जो थोड़ा सा एक अंदेशा आप लोगों को अगर हो सकता है, तो यहाँ से हो सकता है कि 45 मिनट्स इट स्टेड एट दैट पॉइंट 9539, इस जगह पे उसने सपोर्ट लिया है, राइट। तो यहाँ के बाद जब ये नेक्स्ट कैंडल बनी थी, ये छोटी सी कैंडल जो आप देख रहे हैं ना, इससे हमको पता लग जाना चाहिए था कि निफ्टी प्लान्स टू गो अप, ठीक है। अब एक ये हो गया, one is this way to understand. Now the next way, how do we really understand what's happening in Nifty and what could be its stance? Go to the pivot points, right? Go to the pivot points and see what's happening. How did Nifty open? ये pivot point है, right of the middle point, which is 9498. It opened at the first resistance, above first resistance. No, it opened above first resistance. It went up to the R2, and from there it experienced a resistance and came down. उसके बाद ये फिर से इसने R1 पे ही सपोर्ट लिया है, और उसके बाद जैसे ही इसने R2 को क्रॉस किया है, इट हैड अ ग्रेट मोमेंटम आफ्टर दैट, ठीक है। अब लेट्स सी इसका अपसाइड क्या हो सकता है। इसका अपसाइड कुड बी 9650, 9653 is could be possible upside of if it doesn't experience a resistance over here, right? How do we say that it could be experiencing this some kind of resistance? For that we need to look at the MACD. MACD को देखेंगे तो थोड़ा broaden up होके divergence के साथ ऊपर से नीचे आ रहा है, and RSI is at in the overbought region, right? Now अब we'll have to wait and watch. जब ये MACD crossover हो जाएगा और कैंडल्स कप शेप बनेगा थोड़ा सा, और मुझे लगता है ये अब डेली डाली करेगी 15-20, मतलब another 2-3 candle means about 45 minutes to 1 hour will remain in this zone only. उसके बाद ये किस डायरेक्शन में टर्न लेती है उस पे काफी कुछ डिपेंड करेगा, राइट? किस डायरेक्शन में इसका टर्न आता है, राइट? इफ suppose the candles go below 10 moving average, MACD is already on the verge of crossing, RSI goes down, then there may be a profit booking that may come in, right? कितने पॉइंट्स तक फिर ये नीचे जाएगा? जितना भी है वहां से करीब 50-60 पॉइंट्स नीचे जा सकती है। या another possibility could be again a positive sentiment set in and the stock may the Nifty may start going up, ठीक है। So this is Nifty. Now let's talk about some stocks. So जो भी मैं आपको यहाँ पे बताती हूँ ना, this is only for the learning purpose. Like when you have to, these graphs when I analyze for the learning purpose कि कहाँ पे breakout आ रहा है, कहाँ पे हमको इस breakout को एक्सेप्ट करना है और कैसे उसको जज करना है। आई वॉन्ट टू शो यू सनटेक रियलिटी, राइट? मैंने इसको आपको दिया था 16 जून को। आई गेव इट टू यू ऑन 16th of June एंड आई गेव यू अराउंड 16th जून को देख लेते हैं कि क्या सिचुएशन थी और कहाँ पे था ये, तो उससे हमको पता लग जाएगा। 16th जून को ये था कहीं पे 16th जून को मैंने दिया था आपको, तो ये कहीं पे यहाँ पे था 469 पे, ठीक है। 469 हम इसका पॉइंट ले लेते हैं या 470 ले लेते हैं। आज ये 494 पे है, अराउंड 25 पॉइंट्स अप, ऑल्दो इट हैज मेड इवन अ हाई ऑफ 508। आज ही इसने 508 का भी हाई लगाया है। You know, the somebody was asking me yesterday or on Friday that they have had a good run up, experienced a good run up of Suntech Reality. Should they exit? Now see, many of you may think कि now it's time to exit because see जहाँ हमने खरीदा था उससे ऊपर है. But मैं ऐसा नहीं सोचती हूँ. Why? Because see, this is its lifetime high. When a stock crosses its lifetime high, means the stock has a lot of strength to go up, and it probably will have more opportunity from here to go in the upward direction. If you ask me, if I have this stock, I will not sell it. I mean, इस जगह जहाँ पे इसका लाइफ टाइम हाई पे ये खड़ा हुआ है, मैं इसको कभी नहीं सेल करूँगी. I'll wait for another breakout of about 5 to 10% and I'll see. और मुझे जो इसमें कई सारे बहुत अच्छे पॉजिटिव पॉइंट्स लग रहे थे, एक तो ये 50 मूविंग एवरेज पे सपोर्ट लेके ऊपर चला है. दूसरा, जब निफ्टी गिर भी रही थी तो ये इतना ऊपर चल रहा था. मतलब जो लास्ट के 5 सेशंस जो हुए हैं वो निफ्टी के, मतलब I think Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, they were going in the downward direction. The stock was going up, and then MACD crossover, RSI above 60. So I will definitely not sell it. I will hold it, and I'll hold it for good another couple of days or couple of weeks, because I believe there will be more upside lined up over here. If you know, so this is my take on this particular stock, and this will be my take on any stock which is on its lifetime high. Okay, of course I have given you Suntech with I discussed about Suntech and I kind of talked about it with a certain reason, and I knew that it will go up even if it has this profit booking coming in or this downfall, but still I was so sure that it is going to be going up, right? So this is Suntech Reality, and I still believe this has at least from this point another 5 to 5 तक इसको जरूर जाना चाहिए. इस जगह से कम 10% इसका मूवमेंट और आना चाहिए. ठीक है. So this was this, and then we did talk about a few more stocks. Let me talk about Philips Carbon, right? I think जितना मैंने Philips Carbon के बारे में बोला है किसी ने भी नहीं बोला होगा, और कितना ये आपको इसने बढ़िया ब्रेकआउट दिया है. आज के दिन भी ये अच्छा खासा आपको एक ब्रेकआउट मॉर्निंग में दे चुका है, राइट? आई जस्ट वांट टू टेल यू समथिंग. Today's Economics Times talks about another stock which is called Oriental Carbon, right? Which exactly does the same thing which Philips Carbon does, and the value of that stock is 975, right? That's also a monopoly stock. But you know, the valuation of Philips Carbon is so good right now, way below. I mean, at least 30% lower, 30 to 35% lower than that particular stock. So I still feel this stock has a lot of upside left in it. So keep it, keep it. And I really feel a lot of you who have got CDSL, I'm sure you are all lucky ones, because very few people have got it, and those who have got it have experienced the kind of opening it got, right? So please look for, those who have got it, my suggestion to them will remain, don't sell it. Don't sell it. I can give you a time frame of 10,000 rupees, 10,000 years, or what I'm saying, 10 years, it'll be 10,000 rupees. So what I want to tell you, there are some stocks in which you don't trade, right? Which are to keep, There are some stocks where you trade, something like Reliance, something like SBI, which have high volatility. But stocks like, CDSL or stocks like Philips Carbon, you keep. When you have it, you keep them, right? Trading is a different aspect. Of course, you can do trade if you feel like doing in them, but they must be in your portfolio, and your portfolio will make you rich with those stocks. Yeah. So that is my suggestion with you, is CDSL. If you have got it, just don't sell it. It is an opportunity. I mean, kind of, I will believe you've got it through the lottery system. So because you're fortunate one, you are the lucky one, you've got it, just keep it. Forget about trading on it. Okay, so anyway, now let's see once again Nifty में क्या हो रहा है, and Nifty is almost 100 points up. Nifty is almost 100 point up, right? And it is still going strong, still going strong. So I think market has reacted very well to GST, and even I'm feeling very good about GST because when GST has been implemented means so much more better system will be in India. Like transportation will be so good. Like in the morning we identified a stock. It was SR Transfin. SR Transfin. I felt that this one stock will surely benefit from transportation, and you can see it's 20 points up. So why? Because they are into transportation. When they're going, ये जितने भी जगह taxes collect किए जाते हैं, if those barriers will be removed, they will have a beautiful run, like throughout the country, and their profitability will go up, and that is what is reflecting in the stock going up. And as it is, if you look into it, if you just put Bollinger Band here, you can see that this was going through a squeeze for quite some time. Of course the broadening happened, but the bubble didn't form. Bubble formed over here towards the bottom, and that is how the stock has taken a breakout, right? So this was a stock this is a stock which will benefit. If you see today, Ashoka Leyland is doing well. Reason being, it's again all the companies which manufacture cars or the automobile have benefited tremendously with GST. So see the formation of bubble. जितना strongly bubble formation होगा, उतना better stock का reaction होगा, right? So this is one. Then you can see Maruti, how Maruti has done 107 points up. Maruti is 107 points up, right? So this is, a reaction of GST. How GST is helping each of them to have better profitability. Fine. So some of the stocks which are not showing clear reaction, one of them is Hindustan Unilever Limited, right? It's not showing any clear view about GST. Stock is showing, if I look into 15 minutes, it shows me that it is actually respecting it's experiencing a resistance, right? Can you see this 200 moving average? It's not being able to cross it. Let's see in short while what happens. If it has to cross, it has to cross with the momentum, right? If it happens so, then it'll go up. But if it cannot, then there may be a bit more, downside which may come. Okay, so let's see how the reaction of the market goes. And I think आज मैं इतना ही share करूँगी. फिर कल बात करते हैं how everybody is absorbing the idea of GST and how the stock market. But I feel it's one of the most positive thing that has happened in India. One of the best reform that I can see which is happening in India is GST. It will surely, reduce taxes to normal people, and I think it is very well thought, and I'm sure it will be very well executed as well. So all the best. Good day, guys. Enjoy your trades. I'm not giving any fresh trades, although I have it in my on my radar, but I'll only give once I'm sure about it. ठीक है, अभी ये थोड़ा सा जो turbulence है GST का और various other things, let it settle down. उसके बाद fresh trades निकालेंगे. Bye bye. See you tomorrow and all the best.